everyone, Hanita입니다. Right now, I will make a tutorial on how to make a tengkuluk, which is part of Jambi traditional food. That's my look. And right now, here's my tutorial. First look, I used a noodle to make it easier to shape. In the use of the neck is forbidden to use a needle. And then twist the longest part to the lead neatly. Turn it all the way to the form and make sure a really strong and neat. And then remove the needle that you set earlier. Sorry. Both ends and tuck back. Okay. Guys, for the second, use the part, then have the coin in four. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry if it's a bit noise because there is a host contraction. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, let's continue for the back. Just wrap it in front. Try to keep it neat. Okay. Then twist back to the front. Okay. Tuck the rest of the fabric behind and the forward. And today, all for those who are not married, try to put the rest of the cloth to the left, and for those who are married, to the right. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay. You guys side off the wrist. This is the second loop. And guys, this is the third view. For this time, you divert the one on the right, which is longer than the left, and don't forget to use a needle for temporary support. You turn the long cloth back tightly until the comes back to the back. Just follow according to my video. And guys, tie-dye is up because the most important this is it's neat and does get combed easily. Remove the needle as because in the use of Tekuluk Jambi, it is not allowed to use a needle. You just start the rest of the fabric behind until it's really tight. And the end of the cloth was within and place it over your head. Just follow my video. And this is the result of the third loop. Hope it helped. Bye bye. So many video tutorial Tengkuluk from me. Hopefully it will be useful, and don't forget 구독, 좋아요, 댓글, 알람 설정까지 부탁드립니다.